This time, how to make an improvised compass needle. Snake's 1-minute survival tip. A compass gives you guidance if you get lost. But what could you do if you forgot to pack this useful tool in your survival kit? To create your own compass, you will need the following materials: a needle or some other wire-like piece of steel and your pocket knife. To turn the wire into a magnet, stroke the blade tip along the wire 50 to 100 times. Water creates an almost frictionless surface, which allows the leaf to rotate until the north pole of the needle points towards the magnetic north pole. Keep in mind, to determine if the direction is correct, you should always perform a cross-check with other direction indicators. One is for sure, to become familiar with this technique, you must practice.